Hello guys, we are here to speak in English and we asking a question to other team and answer them. And I mean in this team and they are other teams and other team asking question from us and I we is team first answer them to team B. Asking question.
What is your team name?
My team name is a team A.
What is your motive to you come here?
Us motive is to a better in a spoken and improve the spoken skill. And what is your motive?
My motive is also speak English better, but I am come to here to more practice and
I come here to practice more.
I am come here to practice more.
Alright. Ask
What about your friend?
Yeah. Tell your name. What is your name?
I am Suraj,
Okay.
and how are you?
I am fine. Now you please tell. Now you please tell me your goals.
My goal is become a honest people in this country.
Okay. Would you be people or would you be a person? So my aim is to become an honest
Person.
Love it. So do you have any question for this thing?
No, sir.
You don't have any question?
No, sir.
Sonu, do you have any question? Don't you want to ask anything? What is your name?
Sonu.
Sonu, why are you here? Why are you here? आप यहाँ क्यों हैं?
पढ़ने के लिए.
So बोलो I am here to speak English.
To speak English.
So do you want to ask any question to the team, to this team actually? No? Okay. So like this girl, her name is Anjali and another girl we have right now, her name is Payal. Now they are going to ask some of the questions to this team and they would be, answering their questions and all. And this is how we are going to practice our English. So are you guys ready, Anjali and Payal? Thank you so much. Take this mic and ask any question that you feel like, okay? Take this mic. Ask any question. Even you can ask very basic question, that is okay. You can ask about their dreams, hobbies, other plans for future. You can ask anything. The main motive of this class is not to speak better English, not to be perfect, but to speak something. Because something is better than nothing. That is why you got to speak at least something. You ask any question. Even if you are not feeling okay, try to ask even a basic question. Like what is your name? What do you do for improving English? Do you have any job? What is your future plan? Like this, okay? Are you ready? Thank you. Ask this question.
Do you have any job?
No, right now I am not doing any job. And you?
No. And
Even you don't have a job.
no.
Ask any other question.
What do you do nowadays?
Now I am a student. I am studying in college and I am proceeding CS course.
CS course.
And what's your goal?
My goal.
Always work. What do you do? Like, do you work or do you study? What sort of activity or work do you do? Tell me.
Nothing.
You do nothing. Don't you study?
No.
Don't you do any work?
No.
Then what do you do?
I'm just speaking English.
No, you are speaking English right now, even though you are learning English right now here. But he is talking about your life. In life, what sort of work? But what
Do
sort of-
nothing.
You You're doing nothing. Okay. So she is a kind of an idle person. Okay. Do you know what idle person means? In Hindi we say nithalla. Thank you.
After-
Nithalla is someone who does not do anything. So that is why we have given this word to you. Okay, and do not get offended. Yeah, continue.
After completing your 12th, you do not want anything doing in your life.
Nice question.
I'm preparation for CLAT exam and
I am preparing for my
CLAT exam.
exam. Okay.
So why not say this line?
Why did you not mention this line?
It's my
It's your personal
Yeah,
thing.
it's my
So you can
personal
say,
thing.
I do not want to reveal it. I do not want to reveal it.
I do not want to reveal it.
Okay.
Okay, just tell me one thing. Why girls do not share everything?
Okay. Why girls hide almost everything? Yes.
I don't know what.
I think this habit may be there in her, in your life too, because you are also a girl. So do you have any idea why girls are not comfortable talking about their dreams and then some like other things as well?
Yeah, of course.
Even the age as well. Like I
No,
have never
age
understood
thing.
so far why girls are not comfortable with it. Yeah.
Okay.
Ask. Okay, you can give this mic to your friend as well. If Payal wants to ask any question. Payal, ask any question and do not feel sad. Be okay.
What's your dream?
So are you asking who? This boy or that boy? This boy? Okay, pass the mic.
My name is Dipanshu. And what is your name?
Okay,
What's your dream? Okay, sorry. My dream is I become to a successful man and earn not too much money for living my life.
You ask me.
You earn money. You earn money to what you can do for earning money.
Right now, I am studying CS course, and with my CS course, I am doing a part-time job. CS, company CS.
Okay.
Similar to CS.
Which type part-time job you do?
I am doing a job in a medical field.
Okay, why don't you come closer? Because it is very hard for you guys.
So why are you leaving this job? You are not comfortable in this?
No, right now I am not comfortable in this job, but its main reason for money. I am doing this job.
Okay, the main reason behind it is money.
You got not money you want.
What?
You don't got that type money you want. तुम्हें जितना चाहिए उतना
No. It's too less, which I want to be on in my life. It's a too less.
It's not as much money as he wants actually. That's why are you leaving your job?
No.
Then are you doing it?
What?
Do you
Job.
Do you do any job?
No, right now.
You're not doing any job.
2 months. I go.
Okay, like 2 months ago you were doing a job and you have left it. So that's what you're talking about, right? Yeah.
So, what gone your preparation for CA exam?
Yeah, it's a good preparation. I give my best to preparation of CA exam.
I'm giving my best
I begin my best
to
to
take my exams of
CS course.
okay. Like in Hindi we say exam dena. And in English, how would you say exam dena?
Uh,
एग्जाम देने निकले बोलो जैसे मैंने बोला मैं एग्जाम दे रहा हूँ तो इसकी इंग्लिश क्या होगी मैं एग्जाम दे रहा हूँ
give an exam.
पूरे सेंटेंस बताओ मैं एग्जाम दे रहा
I am giving exam.
हूँ आई एम गिविंग
Exam.
एग्जाम्स यू
No idea.
नो आइडिया डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया हाउ वुड यू से इफ यू गॉट टू से व्हाट सेइंग
I'm giving exam.
I mean giving exam. Sonu, do you know what sentence can be spoken right now if I say कि मैं exam दे रहा हूँ? How would you say? Okay, you man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
I know. I am taking my exam.
I'm taking my exams. Why taking my exams? Why not giving my exams?
I don't know, sir.
Because being a student, we take exams, we do not give. Being a teacher, we give exams. How? When you sit in the examination hall, then you are given paper or you are given exams. जब आप बैठते हो तो आप एग्जाम लेते हो, क्वेश्चन पेपर आपको दिया जाता है. So for that matter, you will have to say I'm taking exams. So exam देना in English would be converted or would be said take exam. एंड वाई नॉट गिव एग्जाम? क्योंकि गिव एग्जाम आपने पूरा ट्रांसलेट कर दिया फ्रॉम हिंदी टू इंग्लिश, लेकिन इंग्लिश की अपनी कहानी, हिंदी की अपनी कहानी. तो एग्जाम देने की इंग्लिश नॉट गिविंग एन एग्जाम, यू वुड रादर से आई एम टेकिंग माई एग्जाम्स. ओके, आई होप यू गॉट दैट. ओके, कंटिन्यू गाइस, कंटिन्यू. नाउ यू कैन आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन टू दिस थिंग. Any question? Like if you do not want to ask any question and if you feel like speaking something in front of the camera or the people or the audience, those who are listening to you, then you can please come here, stand properly and then talk about the things that you want to talk. Is there anything that you want to talk?
No, sir, I am comfortable in this seat.
You are comfortable sitting?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, now ask any question.
Okay, sir.
And guys, in order to do something, we'll have to come out of our comfort zone.
Okay, sir.
So this is kind of a comfort zone. Get rid of this. बाहर आना पड़ेगा. You're being silent. Don't be silent. Say something.
Okay. What do you do right now?
So for the whom is this question? Okay, this.
Nothing special. I am doing only struggle in my life.
You are struggling.
How
Like
you,
that.
how you struggle? How you struggle in your life? Explain us.
So basically, I am finding a job. I don't got right now.
Are you said I am finding? That means you are looking for a job. And what next did you say? अगला क्या कहा आपने हिंदी में बताया?
मुझे अभी तक मिली नहीं है.
मुझे अब तक मिली नहीं है. How would you say in English? ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का पार्ट है. आई हैव नॉट गॉट इट येट. आई हैव नॉट गॉट इट येट. सो येट एक एडवर्ब है जो बताता अभी तक ऐसा हुआ नहीं है. जिससे मैंने बोला यार अंजलि तो अभी तक नहीं आई. अंजलि हैज नॉट कम येट. सिमिलरली आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब, आई एम सर्चिंग अ जॉब, आई एम फाइंडिंग अ जॉब, बट आई हैव नॉट गॉट इट येट. कि मैं जॉब ढूंढ रहा हूँ बट मेरे को अभी तक मिल नहीं पाया. ओके, डू यू हैव अनदर क्वेश्चन?
Which type of job?
Are you looking for? Are you looking for? Try to speak properly. Yeah.
Like accountant and another job.
Can you please specify what exactly kind of job is it that you're looking for? You said you're looking for an accountant, and you said another thing as well. So can you please simplify which exactly the job that you're looking for?
Basically, that kind of job I want. In commerce line.
In commerce line. Okay, fine. Yeah.
No, I have no.
Why speak something here?
I am asking to Payal.
Now I want to
ask to
some questions.
some question to Payal.
Why? Okay, go ahead.
What do you do for a living?
Okay, fine. Then. Be comfortable, speak at least one to one, that's okay. You don't need to read or speak the proper paragraph. Speak only one or two sentences.
It's
What?
my personal.
No.
ये तो उन्होंने ये पूछा ना कि हाँ.
He said, what do you do for living? आप जो जी रहे हैं तो उसके लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? Like income source क्या है? कहाँ से पैसा आ रहा है?
तो ये मैंने यही तो बोला कि ये मेरा पर्सनल है. मैं नहीं बताना चाह रही उन्हें कि मैं क्यों हूँ, क्या कर रही हूँ, मतलब क्या कर रही हूँ, कहाँ से.
But I think talking about our profession is not something that we need to keep it secret. It should be revealed, yeah.
Sir, I have a question.
But even though she is not comfortable,
I think she believe in black magic.
yeah, she plays with black magic. That if she reveals, then her idea. Sorry.
He is from Bangladesh.
People say when people say something to other, and then he thinking कि नजर लग जाएगी.
Like people may have an evil life.
I will life, just like he. Just like here. Just like her. Just like her.
Us, dream. Okay, continue.
She cannot say it to everyone.
But this is not her mistake. Our culture says in Hindi poem, karma is written. So, nahi, karma is, nazar is real. So he believe in this poem.
Okay. So as this boy, and his name is actually, what is the name? Rishabh. So Rishabh had said, karma is written,
Nazar is real.
nazar is real. That means if you reveal something, then there may be chance that you would not be able to get that, because people are, looking at it, and people will think, oh my God, this girl and this person is doing like this work that even I cannot do. So this is the thing which people believe in. But what does believe mean? What does believe mean?
Believe mean.
Whatever we believe in, that becomes our belief, and belief can be false. Similarly, we believe in so many things. We believe in ghost. We believe in even God too. We believe in many things. But is it true? Our believing in someone or something becomes our belief, and belief can be blind. It can never, it cannot always be true. जो हमारी जो belief होते हैं ना, हमेशा true नहीं हो सकता. It can be false too. So do not believe in even believing. कि हमें विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए even विश्वास करने में भी. Now continue.
Asking any question.
So no, why are you not asking any question?
Yeah. So no asking any
Ask
question. Any question.
आप normal question पूछो. So
Any question पूछ ले भाई. What is your name? What is your favorite color? Everything. No. अलग अलग.
खड़े हो. जल्दी से सवाल पूछो.
मार भाई अपने मुंह का.
इधर घूमो.
Sir, I have a question.
मैं आपके साथ हूँ. आप इनसे ना नाम आप पूछो तो मैं हूँ आपके साथ. इनसे
What
नाम.
is your name?
हाँ नहीं. What is your name?
What is your name? My name is Anjali.
Okay, आप पूछो क्या करना है? What do you do?
What do you do?
What do you do?
What do you do?
Yeah.
I am English preparation. Sorry, learning English.
Okay, एक last question पूछ लो. Who is teaching you English?
Who
Is teaching you English? You can take my name. You can take my name.
Aman sir.
पूरा बोलो ना.
Aman sir.
Aman sir is teaching me English.
Acha, Aman sir is teaching me.
Thank you so much. Like this boy is, very nervous, guys. That even he is not capable of speaking one or two sentences out there, as you have seen him, right? So now, does any of you want to ask any question? Guys, speak something.
Sir, can I suggest you?
Yeah, please.
Sir, we are doing debate because this type conversation we are not comfortable and we are not thinking what we ask another team.
No worries. Even though you are not comfortable with this topic, but still will have to try. Like same thing, if you are doing continuously, that will definitely make you bored, right? So it's better to try something new. So the same thing we are doing right now. I know it makes you guys uncomfortable. You are not feeling okay, but still try to speak
I'm
something.
not uncomfortable.
Even our general conversation can become a debate. But the thing is that you must have that capacity. You must have that talent that you can engage the people in your conversation or in the debate and all. So this is what everybody needs. So it does not matter whether it is a normal conversation or a debate or any presentation type and conversation and all. You just need to engage the people in your conversation or the thing that you're talking of. Okay. So do not worry what it is and how it is. Just keep speaking. Continue. Payal, you also need to ask any question. जितने भी सवाल आप आ रहे हैं ना, इजी से इजी, डरो मत पूछो. जब तक नहीं बोलोगे नहीं आएगा कॉन्फिडेंस. And the same thing I have started, for the last 2 days. I have not been focusing on grammar topics and all right now. Like I do not want to teach you guys anything theoretically. I want all of you to learn everything from me and practice English practically. Once we gain our confidence, then our mistake can be rectified later too. But if we are not gaining our confidence, if we are not feeling confident, then it would be very tough to speak, even though we are good at grammar. कि हम confident नहीं होंगे ना, basic हमें बहुत कुछ पता हो in grammar and all, but still we cannot express even a single sentence. Then what is important? Okay, can you guys tell me what is important between confidence and talent?
Confidence.
Confidence. What do you say?
Confidence.
Which is important? I mean, which is better? Confidence or talent?
Confidence.
Confidence. You?
Confident.
Confidence.
So this is what I'm hoping from you guys. We need confidence first, and then our mistakes or the problems that we are facing in order to speak English can be sorted out later too. But first we need, and for confidence, what do we need to do? We need to speak more and more. The more we speak, the better we will be. जितना ज़्यादा बोलेंगे उतना अच्छा हो जाएंगे in terms of speaking. That is why I am asking you guys and I am requesting each of you, even the people or the audience, those who are watching me, try to speak at least anything. Even if you speak wrong, that's okay. See, in order to make mistake, we'll have to make mistake. Even for making mistake, we'll have to go through it. गलती करने के लिए भी तो गलती करना पड़ेगा. और अगर गलती हो रही, that means it's a proof that you are learning. And that's what we guys have been doing here. You guys are coming here, you paying me, you're devoting your time over here, you are investing your energy over here. So why not focusing on speaking? And I'm not asking you that you need to speak all the time. I know. If I'm asking you to speak, then your question would be, sir, what to speak? If you're asking me, speak. But sir, what to speak? कि क्या बोले, आप तो बोले जा रहे बोलो. So we are doing it. सबसे पहले मैं आपको वही पढ़ाता हूँ. First of all, we clear a topic of grammar so easily, and then we speak on. Getting? So now, does any of you want to ask any question or want to express anything? कुछ भी बोलो. Even though मैं सेंस नहीं बना रहा ना, तब भी बोलो. मेन पर्पस है इंग्लिश जुबान से निकलने दो. कुछ भी बोलो, आप कुछ भी पूछो. That's okay. So now, does any of you want to speak anything or ask anything? Thank you, Suraj.
Is this your notebook?
No, this is not my book.
Now you ask, किसका है ये?
Where is your notebook?
I don't know.
You don't know where your notebook is?
Where is your notebook?
Achha,
आपकी
sorry.
notebook कहाँ है?
My
My
notebook is
In a bag.
in a bag.
Okay. पूछो क्या प्राइस आपके बैग का?
What is the price of this bag?
The price of this bag,
I don't know. He's gifted me.
I don't know.
He's.
I don't know.
This is gift.
I don't know.
I don't know
The real or the actual price of it,
the real and actual price
price of this, because
because
somebody
somebody
has
has
Gifted
gifted
me.
me.
कि मुझे किसी ने दिया है, गिफ्ट में दिया है. I don't know the real price. है.
Okay.
आप तारीफ कर सकते हो बैग की.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Still it's good.
No, sir.
Okay. Payal is not saying anything. I think Payal should be here.
I like your shirt.
Thank you so much for your
Thank you so much with compliment.
compliment.
Moral compliment. Are you comfortable in your lower?
Yeah. Sure. कुछ बताओ.
Why not you wearing a jeans?
Why are you not wearing jeans?
Why not you are
Why
wearing?
are you not
Why are you not wearing jeans?
हाँ, बताओ reason. अच्छे से बताओ आराम से.
Because some days are very hot. So
As we know, it is summer season.
you all know it is a summer season. So
I think
Yeah.
wearing lower is okay.
but
I
sir,
think wearing lower
I think wearing lower is okay and comfortable
for wearing.
wearing.
Okay. Why?
She says me he also like your shirt.
Okay. So Payal also likes your shirt. Wonderful.
sir, Anjali.
Okay, Anjali liked his shirt actually. Okay. So do you want to ask more about this shirt and all? कुछ और पूछूं? Reason can be anything. There can be any reason, but again we have to speak.
Do you like
This
this
shirt?
color?
Okay.
Yeah, like brown color.
Even I like this shirt.
Okay.
Maybe next time I would love to buy it.
Okay.
So, Dipanshu, from where have you bought it?
I bought it from Avantika market.
Avantika. So did you walk there or did you order on online mode and all? You went there.
You went.
And how much money did you spend on it?
Only 400.
400.
Yeah.
Okay, I think 400 rupees. It is okay. And how is the fabric of it?
It's a Japanese fabric.
Okay, so is it comfortable when you wear it?
It's very बदला कहते हैं पतले को thin. This is very thin shirt and it is very very comfortable in a summer.
Okay.
In this shirt.
Okay, so that means I'm also gonna buy this one. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Okay, guys, do you wanna ask more?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. This is what I need.
So you are went Avantika alone and with another,
alone.
and you go with someone.
आपको क्या बोलना था?
तुम अकेला गए या साथी के साथ?
ये सवाल है या पहले बता रहे हो?
Sir, question है.
सवाल है ना. So did you go to Avantika alone? Did you go to Avantika alone?
Did you go Avantika alone?
No, I was going to. I was.
No, I did not go to Avantika alone.
No, I did not going Avantika alone. I was going with my friends. I went with my friend.
He and she.
Or was it she? Was it he or was it she?
Was it he and was it
Or
she?
was it she? Now.
Was it he? It's your brother, Raj Pandit.
Oh, now my teammate Payal asks you question. Sir, she told me, come friends. Yes, she is so intelligent and clever.
Please, let's give a big round of applause for Payal. Payal, come on the stage. Come. Come. Give her space. Give her space. So actually this girl was being so clever over here, like she asked that boy, why are you not sitting like in front of me, so that camera cannot capture me. So finally I have found her reason and I have called her on the stage. Now she is going to ask some questions, and like you need to go to each and everybody out there and you will have to ask some questions.
कैमरा बंद कर दो सर.
No, camera cannot be I mean closed. It will continue. डरना नहीं कैमरा से. ऑलरेडी हमारा वीडियो का लेंथ हो चुका है 26 मिनट. आपको घबराना नहीं है, बस एक एक क्वेश्चन सभी से पूछना है. इससे कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा. अगर आप जैसे उनको आगे पीछे छुप रही थी ना, ये डर आपको
आगे पीछे छुपके हो जाए.
मतलब आपने बोला ना उसको कि आगे आ जाओ, इससे कॉन्फिडेंस आपको. वो बोल रहा है
बोला नहीं दे रहा है.
इधर से इधर आने के.
तो मैं इसी गुस्से में बुलाया हूँ आपको, पता है. अब आप ऐसे करो, इन सभी के पास जाओ, बस 5 क्वेश्चन आपके पास होंगे, जो आपका दिल कर रहा है एक एक सवाल पूछ लो, देन विल एंड इट. ओके, घबराना नहीं है. मैं साथ नहीं पूछना है तो पूछ लेना मुझसे, लेकिन हिंदी बता देना क्या पूछना.
भैया आप कैमरा बंद कर दो.
कैमरा बंद नहीं होगा. इफ द पेरेंट्स ऑफ दिस गर्ल इज आर वाचिंग राइट नाउ, दिस कैमरा कैन नॉट बी एंडेड ओवर. डरो मत, मैं हूं ना. आप हिंदी तो बताओ मुझे, क्या पूछना है इससे, बताओ क्या पूछो इससे, मैं मदद करता हूँ. बोलो.
उनसे ये पूछना है कि आपकी क्लास में कितनी देर से यहाँ पे हैं.
हाँ, तो फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन इन द क्लास. फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग.
Has been है.
नहीं, ये अकेला आप सामने वाले से बात कर रहे हैं.
साथ में सब कैसे हैं? मतलब कितने टाइम से हैं साथ में.
ये सभी. हिंदी बताओ पूरा.
ये सभी इस क्लास में कितने टाइम से यहाँ पे हैं?
अच्छा. फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग हैव ऑल दीज पीपल बीन हेयर इन द क्लास. तुमने बनाया कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. आई गेस बढ़िया हुआ कि आप इसको सिंपल इससे पूछ लो कि सूरज फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन हेयर, कि सूरज आप यहाँ पे कब से हो. इजी है. और ये जवाब ये फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग. मैं आपके साथ चलूंगा. फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन हेयर, बस इतना. फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन हेयर. थैंक यू.
For how long have you been
हेयर.
here?
नाउ ट्रांसफर.
I have been in the class for 15 minutes.
Now you can ask some question to this girl. Ask any question.
But your favorite place?
Yeah, well, what is your favorite place?
My favorite place in India is Kashmir.
Kashmir.
In India.
Kashmir. Can I have some space?
And it is also very Switzerland.
Being clever man, this girl. Now ask any question. So now ask any question. धीरे-धीरे गेट के बाहर जा. Ask.
What is your favorite game?
कबड्डी.
कबड्डी
माइक तो ढंग से बोल नहीं पाया।
सर मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आता।
बोल रही है।
ट्राई करेगा
आगे बुला रही तो सुनो आओ मैं जल्दी बता।
नहीं आ रहा मुझे।
My
game is favorite
My
kabaddi.
favorite game is kabaddi.
My game favorite
फेवरेट गेम
my favorite game is kabaddi.
Can I ask you one question?
हाँ
When you came in tuition and sir asking you, are you comfortable in front of camera? Then you are saying happily, खुशी से बोला था, yes I am comfortable. So why not today are you not comfortable? Why? Why you are not comfortable now?
like saying is something बोलो saying is something
saying is something
but facing the problem
but facing the problem
in reality
in reality
is something else is something else
is something else.
ठीक ये बोलना एक आसान सी है लेकिन जब एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम आती है तो दिक्कत होती है। अब इससे दो एक से एक पूछ लो भाई यही तरीका है कॉन्फिडेंस गेन करेगा घबराओ मत जल्दी एक को लिखा हो सीधी तो लेना कोई भी सवाल आपको पूछना है
How are you?
I'm fine.
अच्छा आओ ये पूछना वाओ खतरनाक सवाल अगली से पूछा अंजलि आप मैरिड
Are you married? No, I am not married.
और पूछे देना आप प्लानिंग फॉर गेटिंग मैरिड Are you planning
Are you planning
for getting married?
for getting married? No. Please.
अच्छे से बोलो ना खाली नो नहीं बोल रहा है पूरा बोलो
No, I am not planning getting married.
थैंक यू सो मच पाटिल ओके आप कितने सवाल पूछने जा रहे हैं तो पायल कैंडी करो बहुत अच्छे कैसे करोगे क्लास एंड करो
Thank you guys for watching this channel.
तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग अस
Thank you for watching us this channel.
एंड आप अगर जो घबरा रही है तो घबराहट को कम करने के लिए गाइस मैंने उतना अच्छा नहीं बोला है कि इसकी तरफ अपना प्रिपरेशन है लेकिन धीरे धीरे मैं लर्न कर रही हूं
ये बोलना जरूरी है
नहीं तो आप डर नहीं है ना तो डर कम हो जाएगा
तो ये बोलूं अभी
हाँ हिंदी में बोलो
क्या बोलूं
गाइस आई नो कि मैं उतने अच्छे साथ बोल नहीं पाई क्योंकि अभी मैंने 2 दिन पहले ज्वाइन करा और मैं धीरे धीरे सीख
सर जरूरी है बोलना
वो जरूरी नहीं है पूरा रैंडम है
ध्यान करना
लेकिन आप बोल लेते हैं तो डर निकल जाता अगर डर रही है तो काफी सूरज
Yes sir.
ठीक है बोल के बाद कब बोल रहे कब बोल रही है
Thank you for watching us. And if anybody is want to join our classes, then you can contact with us and you join English with Aman classes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Please clap. So we go and starting to